Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step, creating a site. Click on the Add New Site button. Next, you'll need to enter a site name. Be sure to give it a meaningful name, for example, Bismuth Hotel, Corporate Head Office, or any other name that clearly identifies the network. After entering the site name, the next step is to fill in the site initials. These are short forms or abbreviations of the site name, allowing up to 6 characters. For example, if your site name is Bismuth Hotel, you might use BMH as the initials. Choose something that makes it easy to identify your site at a glance. Next, choose a time zone for the site. This is essential because all scheduled automations will run based on the selected site time. Make sure to pick the correct time zone to ensure accurate scheduling and monitoring. Finally, choose a site group for the site. Site groups act as labels that help organize multiple sites. For example, if this site belongs to a chain or a headquarters, you could name the group Super Metals Holdings. You have 2 options. You can either skip this step for now by selecting Assign Later, or if you want to create a group right away, click New Group and enter the group name. For now, let's click on Assign Later and then click on Next to continue. Now, confirm the information you've entered for the site. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Next to proceed. You'll then be redirected to the site's main page, marking the end of Step 2, creating a site.